Hi there! It's that time of year again, when we all start thinking about what delicious treats we'll be making for the holidays. That's why we've put together a list of healthy Christmas recipes that are sure to impress your family and friends. First up is a twist on a classic holiday appetizer, baked brie with cranberry sauce. This recipe uses whole wheat phyllo dough instead of the traditional puff pastry, and the cranberry sauce is made with honey and orange juice instead of white sugar. It's a delicious and healthier alternative to the traditional version. For the main course, how about trying a grain-free and dairy-free version over a roasted turkey? This recipe uses almond milk and coconut oil to keep the meat moist and flavorful, and a blend of rosemary, thyme, and sage for a festive herb blend. Serve it with a side of roasted vegetables for a complete and healthy meal. And no Christmas dinner is complete without a show-stopping dessert. This year, try making a vegan and gluten-free gingerbread trifle. It layers gingerbread crumbs, whipped coconut cream, and sliced bananas for a creamy and indulgent treat that's also good for you. Looking for a healthier alternative to mashed potatoes? Try making mashed sweet potatoes instead. Simply roast or boil sweet potatoes until tender, then mash them with a little bit of coconut milk and a sprinkle of cinnamon. These mashed sweet potatoes are creamy, flavorful, and packed with nutrients. I hope these additional ideas give you some inspiration for healthy Christmas recipes.